In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to time your slides on Google Slides efficiently. Whether you're preparing for a class project, a business pitch, or simply aiming to perfect your delivery, this guide will walk you through each step required to automate your slideshow transitions seamlessly. First, open your browser and navigate to Google Slides. You can do this by typing Google Slides into the search bar and clicking on the first result, or if you've bookmarked it already, just access it directly. Once you're on the Google Slides homepage, make sure you're signed into your Google account. If you're not already signed in, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the screen and enter your login details. Signing in ensures you have full access to your saved files and editing tools. Now that you're logged in, you'll land on the homepage where all your past presentations are stored. For this tutorial, let's create something fresh. Click on Blank Presentation and a new slide deck will open, ready for customization. Next, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on View. From the drop-down, select Slideshow. This will put your presentation into full screen mode, giving you a preview of how it will look during an actual presentation. While in slideshow mode, hover your cursor toward the bottom left corner of the screen. A small control panel will appear. On this panel, click the three dots to expand additional options. From here, select Autoplay. This is the feature that allows you to set automatic timing for your slides. You'll see options like changing slides every 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, or even every minute. Choose the interval that best fits your presentation flow. For example, if you're presenting detailed content, a longer interval like 30 seconds per slide might work best. On the other hand, if you're creating a quick visual showcase, a shorter timing such as 5 seconds may be ideal. Take a moment to experiment until you find the pace that feels right for your project. Once set, your slides will advance automatically based on the timing you've chosen. This means you can focus entirely on your delivery without having to click through slides manually. It's especially useful for timed presentations, looping displays, or hands-free showcases at events. Before you present, practice running through your slideshow a couple of times. This ensures everything runs smoothly and you're comfortable with the pacing. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to time your slides in Google Slides. I hope this helps you create presentations that are not only polished, but also seamless from start to finish.